In this lesson, we're going to talk about customizing the homepage of our shop to make it attractive for customers. First, let's start by going to our Shopify admin. Go to your online store and then click on Themes. This will bring us to the Theme section where we can edit our homepage. Let's start by customizing the announcement bar. Click on Customize to open the theme editor. In the theme editor, select the announcement bar section and add a welcoming message like "Welcome to store name, your destination for personalized gifts." Now, let's set up our homepage banner. Click on the banner section and choose an image that reflects the theme of Valentine's Day or couple gift. Next, let's add our featured collection. Click on the featured collection section and choose a collection like Valentine's Day gifts or couples gifts. Now, let's customize the image with text section. Add a meaningful message such as "Create a memory that lasts forever" with custom gifts for your loved ones. Next, let's add a multi-column section. This will allow us to display different product categories like gift ideas for him, gift ideas for her, and personalized jewelry. Finally, let's add an FAQ section at the bottom of the page. Here we can answer common questions like what kind of products can I personalize? How long will it take to receive my personalized gift? And can I return personalized items? Now, let's preview the homepage. Click on the preview button and check how it looks.